This video is all about showing that cos A is equal to 2 cos B minus 3 cos C. When A is equal to 5, for B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 6. And so let's begin. Now the question is for us to show that cos of angle A is equal to 2 cos of angle B minus 3 cos of angle C. When a triangle, you have A, B, C. Now side A is equal to 4, side B is equal to what? 5, and side C is equal to what? 6. Now first we are going to look for cos B, and cos B using the cosine rule. Cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square all over 2AC. Now A is equal to 4 square plus C is equal to what? 5, equal to 6. So 6 square minus B is 5, which is 5 square divided by 2 times 4 times 6. Now this will give us what? We have 16 plus 36 minus 25 divided by 48. So this will give us now 16 plus 36 will give us 52 minus 25 will give us 27. So now 27 divided by 48, this will give us 3 divided this is 9. 3 divided 48 is 16. So it gives us 9 over what? 16. So now we got 9 over what? 16. So cos B is equal to 9 all over what? 16. So now let's just state it here. Cos B is equal to 9 all over what? 16. Now let's look for cos C. Now let me just bring forward the values of the sides. A is 4, B is 5, and C is what? 6. So cos C is equal to what? The formula using the cosine rule is A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. Now you have A to be 4, so 4 square plus B is 5, that is 5 square minus C is 6, so 6 square divided by 2 times 4 times what? 5. So this will give us 16 plus 25 minus 36 divided by what? 40. This will now give us 16 plus 25 is 41 minus 36 divided by 40. So this will give us what? 5 over 40. 5 divided 1. 5 divided 48. So now you have 1 all over 8. So that means cos C is equal to 1 all over 8. Now let's see if the right hand side, let's look for the right hand side. The right hand side is 2 cos B minus 3 cos what? C. Now B, what we got as our B is 9 all over 16. So just plug in 9 all over 16 here, minus 3 times the C we got, the cos C we got 1 all over 8. So now 2 divide this 1, 2 divide this is 8. So we have 9 all over 8 minus 3 all over what? 8. So this 9 to now, since the denominators are the same, we add or subtract the numerators. So 9 minus 3 divided by 8. So now this will give us 6 over 8. So this is the same thing as what? 3 over 4. If 2 divides this is 3. If 2 divides 8 is 4. So 3 over 4. So now the right hand side of that equation is what? 3 over 4. Now let's see if cos A is equal to the right hand side of that equation. Now let's use the cosine rule to find our cos A. Now we know that side A is 4, side B is what? 5, and side C is 6. So now cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square all over 2BC. So now our B is 5, so you say 5 square plus 6 square minus 4 square divided by 2 times 5 times 6. So this is the same thing as saying 25 plus 36 minus 16 divided by 16. Now 36 minus 16 will give us what? 20. If you add 20 to this 25, you have 45 divided by 60. Sorry. So now 15 divides 45 will give you 3. 15 divided 60 is 4. So we have 3 over 4. So cos A is equal to 3 over 4, which is equal to the right hand side of the equation. So we have proved that cos A is equal to 2 cos B minus 3 cos C. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day. Thank you. So